Hey friends, if you wish to find the IP address on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So search for command prompt and open the normal command prompt, no need for the administrator one. Type the command ipconfig space forward slash all. Hit enter. Okay, this will show you all the physical addresses. It will also show you the IPv4 address here. Okay, we'll have to scroll up a little. Okay, in this LAN information here, you will find something called as IPv4 address. In my case, it is 192.168.1.9. So this is my IPv4 address, and this is the active IP address unless I'm using IPv6, which I don't. So this is the address in 99.9% cases. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.